Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on a reset phone. And as you can see, on the very first position, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on reset Wi-Fi settings. And here your device is informing you that it will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. And as you can see, we've got the information that the settings have been reset successfully. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock or reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Infinix Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.